cheerful good morning to all of you. Welcome to the English class. So today we are going to study a vocabulary part of English grammar, in which we will cover three topics as gender, number and forms of the verbs. So now student, let's start the gender. Now student, today we are going to study about noun gender. Okay, you all must know that have heard about masculine and feminine gender. Okay student, in case of you don't know, just have a look this picture here. Now this is a family picture. We can see a man, woman and a boy and a girl. Okay student, so now man and boy, they come under masculine gender, and that means they both are male. Okay, and this woman and girl under feminine gender, they both are female. So that is what we are going to study about today, nouns on the basis on gender. So gender can be classified as masculine, feminine, common and neuter gender. Okay student, let's start with masculine gender. Yes, masculine gender, a noun that denotes a male is said to be of masculine gender. हम जिस noun की बात कर रहे हैं जो किससे denote होता है as a male is said to be masculine gender. Okay students, so here given an example, man, lion, hero. Okay, many more example as boy, king. So all these are males fall under the masculine gender. So जितने भी example as a boy, king, man, lion, hero, ये किसके अंदर आएंगे, किस कैटेगरी में आएंगे, as a masculine gender. Now next is here feminine gender. A noun that denotes a female is said to be of feminine gender. जो भी nouns जिसको denote करते हैं किसको, feminine, is said to be feminine gender. उसको हम क्या कहते हैं, feminine gender. For example, woman, lioness, girl. Okay students, so boy is a male and girl is female, and many more example like queen, empress. Okay, so this is the feminine gender. Now next is here as a common gender. Yes students, you know common gender. So there are many words which can be used for males and females. बहुत सारे ऐसे वर्ड्स होते हैं जो मेल और फीमेल के लिए कॉमनली हम यूज करते हैं. सो दीज आर नोन एज कॉमन जेंडर. तो उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे, कॉमन जेंडर. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, स्टूडेंट एज अ स्टूडेंट, टीचर, आर्टिस्ट, फ्रेंड. यस, स्टूडेंट कैन बी गर्ल, ओके, और अ बॉय. हम स्टूडेंट को हम ऐसे हम बोलते हैं एज ए, तुम गर्ल भी हो सकती है या बॉय भी हो सकता है, डजेंट मैटर. ओके, although they known as student. Similarly, teacher, whether a male teacher or a female teacher, so they are commonly known as teacher. Now friend, so friend, whether you have a girl or a boy, so as friend they will be called as your friend. So friend is a common gender. I'm giving another example as a leader, doctor. So they can be used feminine or masculine gender, you know, but overall say it's a common gender. इस कैटेगरी में जैसे स्टूडेंट है, टीचर, एडवाइजर है ना, फ्रेंड है, इसमें अगर हमको ये पता है कि वो बॉय भी हो सकता है और गर्ल भी हो सकता है, या कि मैस्कुलाइन भी होते हैं या फेमिनाइन भी होते हैं. सो इसको हम किस कैटेगरी में रखते हैं, कॉमन जेंडर. Okay student, so now next is here neuter gender. Yes, what is neuter gender? Yes, there are many words which are used for non-living things. A noun that denotes a non-living things is said to be of neuter gender. जिस नाउन की हम बात कर रहे हैं वो नॉन लिविंग थिंग, जिसमें लिविंग थिंग नहीं है, मतलब नॉन लिविंग थिंग, निर्जीव की हम बात करते हैं. अ नाउन दैट डिनोट्स अ नॉन लिविंग थिंग इज सेड टू बी न्यूटर जेंडर. वो क्या कहलाते हैं, न्यूटर जेंडर. फॉर एग्जांपल, टेबल, पेन, ट्री. सो यू नो that the your laptop, phone, Okay, your laptop, phone, computer, yes, all non-living things come under this gender, as a table, pen, tree, all other non-living things. Okay, this is our neuter gender. Clear, students? So what we learn? So what we have learned? We have learned as a four category of noun gender, as a feminine gender, masculine gender, common gender, and neuter gender. Okay, now let us now find the nouns and their gender. अब हम क्या करेंगे, हमारे जो भी nouns दिए गए हैं उसमें हम ऐसे find out करेंगे gender. Okay, number 1 is here, an ox pulled the cart. Okay, student, ox is here as a masculine gender. Pull the cart. Cart is non-living thing. So here this is a neuter gender. Now next sentence. The queen wore a beautiful dress. Queen is here as a feminine. Wore a beautiful dress. As dress is here non-living thing. So this will come in neuter gender category. Okay. Next sentence is here. My uncle is a doctor. Okay, students. So uncle is here. You know very well as a masculine gender. Okay. Now doctor is here. You can say doctor will be a female, will be a male. So overall, this is in the category of common gender. Now next sentence, we respect our elders. So elders आपका brother भी हो सकते हैं, sister भी हो सकते हैं, बड़े भी हो सकते हैं. तो हम किसी एक कैटेगरी में as a feminine भी नहीं बोल देंगे या हम masculine भी कह सकते हैं. तो here this will come in a common gender. So here student, I hope you have understood the gender as masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, and neuter gender. Now student, yes, mind up once again. Yes, let's revise as a four classified of noun gender: masculine, feminine, common, and neuter. And the example as a masculine gender: boy, emperor, man, tiger, and lion. Now feminine gender, as for example, as a girl, empress, woman, tigress, lioness. Clear? This will come in a feminine gender. Now next is here common gender, as a doctor, teacher, friend, artist, student come in the category of common gender. Okay, student? Okay. Why? Because you know very well. So in this common gender, male or female कुछ भी हो सकते हैं. Okay, yes, I'm giving an example as a student. Student can be a girl, also a boy. Doesn't matter, although they are known as student. Similarly, teacher, whether a male teacher or female teacher, so they are commonly known as teacher. Okay, student. Now, neuter gender. Yes, all non-living things come under this gender, as a table, book, furniture, pen, pet. So all other non-living things will come in the category of neuter gender. Okay, student. So now let's start its exercise. Okay. Give the feminine gender of the following. So student, here you notice the table here. You know that the masculine gender is given here and the next side as a feminine gender given here. So let's start number 1. Son. This son as a masculine gender and daughter will come in the category feminine gender. Son, daughter. Man, women. Horse, mare. Nephew, niece. Gentleman, lady. Lion, lioness. Poet, poetess. Host, hostess. Prince, princess. Hero, heroine. So this will come in the category as a son, man, host, nephew, as a masculine gender. I hope you have understood. And the daughter, woman, mare, niece, lady, lioness, poetess, hostess, princess, and heroines will come in the category as a feminine gender. Okay, so you have to learn this gender. Okay, now next one is here, sir, madam. Number 12, tiger, tigress. Master will be as a feminine gender, mistress. God, goddess. Grandfather, grandmother. Landlord, landlady. Peacock, peahen. Author, authoress. Waiter, waitress. Now, manservant, as we write as a maid servant, as a feminine gender. Okay, students, so this is your masculine and feminine gender. So you have to learn this gender. Okay, student. So now let's start the other topic as a noun, number. You know very well the nouns based on number can be classified as a singular and plural. Okay, singular means one, प्यूरल मीन्स मैनी. ओके, सिंगुलर का मतलब एक ही और प्यूरल का मतलब बहुत सारे. नाउ फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ यू हैव वन बुक विद यू, you will call it one book. If you have more than one, so that means you have books. And in the same way, I have many one example. Okay, now let's take an example: arrow, arrows, lion, lioness. So now, so here the formation of proof where we add s, where we add es. Okay, to make a plural number. So singular to plural number. So now let's start with the rule. Rule number 1. To form plural of most nouns, we add s to the singular nouns. जब भी हम singular noun के साथ, हम जब भी singular noun को plural के अंदर जब हम change करते हैं तो हम generally क्या add करते हैं? As a singular noun में हम add क्या करेंगे? s. For example, arrow, arrows. Okay, student, if you have one arrow, it called arrow. If you have more than one arrow, they are known as arrows. वो क्या कहलाएंगे? Arrows. So you have just add s, it will be become arrows. अगर आपको क्या करना है? सिर्फ only s add करना है और वो क्या बन जाएगा? Arrows. Okay. Similarly, cake. One cake is a cake and many are cakes. So just add s. Next is here lion. Okay. Lion. Now one lion is here as a lion and many more. And many more lion is here lions. So only you know that you have just add s. So it will become lions. Now next one is here kite. So here one kite is called kite. And you know that well, if you have more than one kite, so it called it, no, you know very well, it become a kite. So you have just add s. So it will become as kites. Okay, student, this is a rule number 1. Now, next rule, rule number 2, nouns which end with s, double s, sh, ch, z, x and ex forms their plural by adding es. देखिए हम बात कर रहे हैं रूल नंबर 2 की, जिसमें आपको जो नाउन गिवन है, जो नाउन दे रखे हैं, अगर लास्ट लेटर एज यू नोटिस इन द एग्जांपल लास्ट लेटर एंड हो रहा है अगर एस सी, सी एच सी, डबल एस सी, एस एच सी, एक्स एस और ESA. So you notice that we have the rule when we change the singular to plural. So we add just ES of the singular noun. Singular noun को जब हमको plural noun में change करना है तो हमको add करना है बच्चों ES. Clear? Let's take an example. Yes, student, number 1 example is here, bus. Okay, now change into a plural, so you have to add es to make a plural noun, buses. Okay, next one is here, bunch. So here you notice that we add es. You notice the noun, the last 2 letters ch and with a ch. So you have to add es at the end of the noun. So here bunch will be क्या हो जाएगा? Bunch will be bunches. Okay. Now next one is here dish. Okay, you have one dish. Okay, you have many more dish. So here dishes. So only you have to add es. Why? Because you know that in the dish is a noun and the second last letter as the last, third and fourth letter is here, you notice SH. So here SH you notice. So here the rule number 2. So only we add ES. Okay, after the dish. So it become as a dishes. Now next one is here class. So here you notice one class and one then more. Here has use a plural classes. So yes, you notice classes and आप देख रहे and with double S. So here and with double S, so we add ES after the class. So here we will become class will become as a classes. Now next is here fox. So you notice that and with the X. Now it will become a foxes. We add ES. Now next example as bliss. Yes, you notice the last it end with a Z. So here we add ES. So it will become blizzed. Blizzes. Okay, students. So now this is the rule number 2. So according to you know very well when this is the formation of a noun. If you notice that nouns end with a S, double S, SH, CH, X, Z or ES. Now you notice to form their plural by adding ES. तो हमको form किसे करना है? ES से हमको form करना है. Clear? Now next is here rule number 3. So student, most of the nouns that end in consonant plus O. जब भी हमारा कोई भी जो नाउन गिवन है उसमें क्या हो रहा है एंड किससे हो रहा है ओ से और ओ से पहले यू नोटिस दैट नाउन दैट एंड इन कॉन्सोनेंट प्लस ओ नाउ हियर व्हाट ए कॉन्सोनेंट सबसे पहले आपको पता होना चाहिए कॉन्सोनेंट क्या होता है यस व्हाट ए कॉन्सोनेंट इज इन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज you have 26 letters starting from A to Z. Okay, and in the letters you have 5 vowels. Do you remember A, E, I, O, U? Now they are vowels. Now and the remaining are consonant. So if your noun is ending with O or just before O, all you have a consonant, then you will add ES to form plural. So that is very simple. So just have a look to the noun given to you. If it is ending, okay, with O or just before O, you have a consonant. That means you have add ES to make a plural. आपको क्या ऐड करना है ES करना है plural बनाने के लिए. Okay, now let's start. Hero, heroes. Okay, so you notice the noun hero and with the O, and before O you have a consonant. Consonant is here hero. R is here as a consonant. So you have to add ES to make a plural. So hero will be heroes. Next is here buffalo. So buffalo you notice and with a O and before O. So here as a consonant, BUFFALO. L is here as a consonant. So, okay. So you have to just add ES, buffaloes. So buffaloes buffalo becomes as a plural as a buffaloes. Mango. Next word is here mango. MANGO. Yes, and with a O. So before O, you notice here a consonant G. So consonant G, yes. You know that the consonant that is you have add ES to make a plural. Mango will become a mangoes. Okay, student, I hope you have to clear the rule number 3. So most of the nouns that end in consonant with O, so need ES to form plurals. Okay, now move on the next slide. There are some exception to rule number 4. अब हम बात कर रहे हैं कुछ एक्सेप्शन होते हैं कि हमको अगर EFF ये है IVES में हम चेंज नहीं करते हैं तो देखिए एक्सेप्शन क्या है. देखिए शेफ्स तो हम क्या करेंगे CHIEVES नहीं करेंगे CHIEFS यूज करेंगे. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज हियर प्रूफ. Proof is here as a singular. The exception is here. We only add S. Proofs. Next one is here. Roof. So here you notice you only just add S. Roofs. Now next one is here. Scarf. Scarves. Scarf. So here you can also use as a scarf and scarves. VES. You only add VES. Hoof. Hoops. Yeah. SOOVES. Draft. DWARFS. Drafts. Here DWARVES. You can write both the as a plural drafts or drafts. So okay students, so these are the exception to rule number 4. ओके ये एक्सेप्शन है, ये हमारे रूल के अकॉर्डिंग नहीं चल रहे, एक्सेप्शन है कि हमको इसको इसी के अकॉर्डिंग ही लिखने हैं. Okay, now move on the next slide. Rule number 5. In nouns that end with consonant plus y. Okay, so now we replace y with IES. हम देखेंगे कि हमारे सामने जो भी नाउन है उसको हमको सिंगुलर से प्लूरल बना रहे हैं, तब हम क्या करेंगे? Only we will replace the last letter is here and with the y. So replace with y, replace किससे करेंगे? IES से. Now let's take an example. City. Okay, is a singular noun. CITY. So student, y is here. Y is here, as you notice, as a consonant plus y. So before the y, here as a consonant t. So okay students, so we replace y and just add IES. City will be become as a cities. Now next one is here lady. So lady, here you have to notice last letter as a y and with a y, and before the y consonant is here D. Okay, you have to replace I with IES. Okay, so you have to write ladies. Next is here diary. Diary, diary, DIARY and with a y. Okay, so before the y, here you notice the consonant R, so you have to write the diaries. Why? Because R replace with IES, diaries. Okay, story, STORY. Okay, make a plural stories, because y you have to replace y with IES, become a stories, STORIES. Okay student, now next is here rule number 6. In nouns that end with the vowel plus y. अब हम बात करते हैं नाउन की जो एंड किससे हो रहे हैं? वाई से, और वाई से पहले क्या है? वाल. ओके, वाल तो देखिए, यस आई एम प्रोनाउंसिंग वाल, सो इट्स नॉट वोवल. ओके, सो नाउ हियर वाल इज हियर एज अ रे एंड विद y, and before the y vowel is here a. So here we just add s, ray, raise. Boy, okay, boy, and with y, and before the y o is here, boys, BOYS. स्टोरी, हम बात करते हैं बिल्डिंग में. बिल्डिंग में क्या पता है? हमको पता है ना कि स्टोरी होती है एक दूसरे के ऊपर. तो हियर वी यूज एज ए वर्ड स्टोरी. यस, STOREY, स्टोरी. नाउ here you notice and with a y, and before the y here as a vowel, so okay, E. So here we just add S. Now next is here monkey, and with a y, and before the y you notice here as a vowel, so okay, this will make a monkeys. Only you just add S, monkeys. Now student, let move on the next slide. Yes, some words do not follow such rules. अभी हमने पढ़ा है कि verb के हमारे जो nouns हैं उसमें हमने कई rule follow करें. Now these are the exceptions also. So here now let's start. Man will be a man, MAN, MEN. Woman, women, WOMEN. Child, children. Ox, oxen. Foot, feet. Louse, lice. Mouse, mice. Tooth, teeth. Okay students, so this is the exception, so you have to remember these words. Okay, now next is here some nouns do not change at all. कुछ noun change ही नहीं होते, they remain the same as we use. You know very well, हम जब उसको use करेंगे as a singular भी होंगे और plural भी same ही होंगे. देखिए, sheep, series, species, deer and fish, they remain the same. Okay, so these nouns do not change at all. ये noun कभी भी change नहीं होते. When we write as a plural, so we use as a ship, and when we write as a singular, so here we write as a ship. Okay student, so now Let's start the exercise. Write the plural form of the following words. अब आपको क्या करना है, plural form बनाते हैं आपके जो words दिए गए हैं singular के. Now let's start. Child. Yes, child is here as a singular, and children, one then more child. Here we use as a children. Ox, oxen. Goose, geese. Tooth, teeth. Thief, thieves. Hero, heroes. Baby, babies. Desk, desk. Okay, women, women. Candy, candies. You notice candy and with a Y, and before this here consonant. So you just add, you replace the I and add IES, candies. Okay. Now, next one is here rose, roses. Deer, deer, deer not change. Deer, deers नहीं होगा. Ship, ships नहीं होगी. तो कुछ एक्सेप्शन हैं जो चेंज नहीं होते. न्यूज, न्यूज. डिश, डिशेस. फ्लाई, flies. Okay. Story, stories. Watch, watches. Maid servant, maid servant. Box, boxes. So here you notice that when we write the singular to plural, so we have to follow some rules, but there are some exceptions. We do not use as a s and do not add as s, es or ies. Okay, so just we have to write as a dear, dear. Okay, so there are some exception in the number. Okay, now this is the topic of number. Okay, now here the third topic is here as a 3 forms of verb, student. Okay, so 3 forms of verb, you have to remember the 3 form of verbs. Yes, main verbs have 3 basic form. Okay, so base form, the past form and ed form sometimes called participle. जब ed form आ जाती है तो क्या कहलाती है हमारी participle. जब हमारे पास जब main verb है, you know very well the main verb as eat, keep, go, learn, study, drink, see. So these are the main verb. So you have to write the second form of and the third form of the verb when we write a sentence according to a tenses. Okay, according to a tenses, the first form is used as we use in a simple present tense. Okay, when we write as a past tense, we use as a past tense in our sentence, so we have to write as a second form of the verb. When we write as a third form, where we use as a third form as a perfect tense. Okay, as we use as a present perfect, past perfect and future perfect. And so here we have to write as a third form of the verb. Okay, students, so you have to remember the 3 forms of the verb. Clear? Now first one is here eat, eat, ate, eaten. Okay, second form ate and third form eaten. Number second fall, fell, fallen. Okay, number third go, went, gone. Depend on a sentence. अगर आपका sentence past में है तो you have to write the second form went. When आपका sentence अगर perfect tense है, जो काम हो चुका हो गया है, so here we have to write gone, third form of the verb. Number fourth keep, kept, kept. Number fifth learn, learned, learned. Number 6 leave, left, left. अब देखिए आपने नोटिस किया कि हमारी जो सेकंड फॉर्म और थर्ड फॉर्म भी क्या है, लीव की लेफ्ट एंड लेफ्ट. नंबर 7 drink, drank, drunk. Number 8 कट, कट, कट. यू नोटिस हमारी जो तीनों फॉर्म्स हैं कट की वो सेम ही होती है, उसमें कोई भी चेंजेस नहीं होता. कट, कट, कट नहीं होता, ईडी ऐड नहीं करेंगे. सो हियर यू नोटिस यू हैव टू learn the cut form as a cut, cut, cut. Now next one is here as a live, lived, lived. Now next one is here teach, taught, taught. Okay students, so this is a 3 forms of verbs. Now move on to the next slide. Yes, here write, wrote, written. आपको लिखना है. So here in the present tense you use as a right form. In the past tense you use as a wrote, and we write a perfect tense as a we talk about as a participle, past participle. You have to write a form, third form, written. Number second think, thought, thought. Number 13 tell, told, told. Number 14 speak, spoke, spoken. Number 15 study, second form of the verb studied, and the third form studied. Number 16, see, saw, seen. Okay, so in the present tense we use as a first form sees. In the second form we use as a saw, and we have to use as a perfect tense we have to use a third form of the verb seen. You notice when we do as a active and passive verbs, direct and indirect, in the mainly active and passive verbs, when we make a passive verbs we have to write as a third form of the verb. Okay, now number 17, run, ran, run. So you know very well the run, ran, run. Number 18, make, made, made. Number 19, sit, sat, sat. Number 20, shine, shone, shone. The moon shines at night. You know, so in this line we have to write as a we use first form as a shines. So here we use as a shines. Why? Because the moon is singular. So here we use we add as shines. The moon shines at night. So this is a first form of the verb. Second form shone, chamakna, chamka, and number third is here shone. Okay, so this is the three form of the verb. So you have to learn these three forms of the verb. Okay, student, clear? Let's revise again. Eat, ate, eaten. Eat means क्या होता है बच्चों? खाना. Eat, ate means खा लिया, and eaten का मतलब भी क्या होता है? हम यूज करते हैं as a खा लिया, मतलब खाए हुए, खा चुका है. Now second is here fall, fell, fallen. Fall means क्या होता है? गिरना. Yes, fell गिर गया, and fallen is वो गिर चुका है. Number third is here go. Go means जाना. Went गया, वो गया, and gone वो जा चुका है. So go, went, gone. Keep, kept, kept. Keep means क्या होता है student? रखना. Okay, please keep this book. Now here kept is here second form, रख दिया. Yes, kept is here as a third form of the verb is here as a kept. Now learn, learn means सीखा. Okay, learn सीखा, उसने सीखा, and learnt is here सीख गया. Number 6 is here leave. लीव का मतलब चला जाना, कहीं से लीव लेना है ना, छुट्टी लेना. So leave is here first form, left, and next left is here वह चला गया. Here we use as a second form left. Number 7 is here drink. Drink means क्या है? पीना. I drink milk. Okay, so here we use as a first form I drink milk. मैं दूध पीता हूँ. So here we use as a drink. Second form is here drank. So here when we talk about our past tense, मैंने दूध पिया. So here we use as a drank. We drank the milk. Now number third is here drunk. Drunk means as हम यूज करते हैं वो पी चुका है, या पी चुका था, या पी चुका होगा. So here we use third form of the verb drunk. Number 8 is here cut, cut, cut. So here you notice the third form of the verbs are the same. Okay, will be same. The cut, cut, cut. Number 9 is here as a live. Live means क्या होना? रहना, रहता था. Here we use second form of the verb lived, and third is also here as a lived. Live, lived, lived. Number 10 is here touch, teach, taught, taught. Teach means क्या होता है? सिखाना. Okay, so teach is here we use as a first form taught. Taught means सिखाया, and next is here third form taught. T-A-U-G-S-T, taught. Now next one is here write. Write means क्या होता है? लिखना. So I write a letter. I write a story. So here we use as a first form as we use in a present tense. When we write मैंने लिख लिया, I wrote a story. मैंने story लिख ली. So here we use second form wrote. Written is here. So I have written the story. So मैं story लिख चुकी थी, लिख चुकी हूँ. So here we use as a third form I have written, I had written. Okay, I will have written. Here we use as a third form of the verb. Now next is your think, thought, thought. Think means सोचना. Okay, I think. So class 5th Class 4th is very good. Okay, so okay, here we use as a present tense, we use as a verb thing. Thought, मैंने सोचा, मतलब जो हमारी बात होती है हमने पहले सोचा. Here we use I thought. I thought you are a best student. Okay, मैंने सोचा था. Okay, so here we use as a thought, and third form is also used here, thought. Number 13 as a tell. Tell, told, told. So tell means क्या होता है बच्चों? कहना. So second form told, कहा. And third one is here also told. So tell, told, told. Number 14 is here speak, spoke, spoken. So speak, speak means क्या होता है? बोलना. Second form बोला. As a spoke, S-P-O-K-E, and third one is here spoken, S-P-O-K-E-N, spoken. Number 15 is here study. Study मतलब पढ़ना, पढ़ाई करना. Study, second form studied, मैं पढ़ा. So here we use as a second form studied, S-T-U-D-I-E-D, and third is here also studied, S-T-U-D-I-E-D. Number 16, see. See means देखना. See, I see a book. Okay, so now second form of the verb saw. Saw is here as a see, देखा. I saw a movie. मैंने movie देखी. Now number third is here seen. Third form of the verb seen. So these are the third form of the see. Number 17 run, ran, run. Okay, okay, run is here as a first form. Second form is there ran. मैं run means भागना. मैं भागा या दौड़ा. Ran means दौड़ा, मतलब past tense से बात कर रहे हैं. भागता है वो भागा, तो भागा here we use as a word as a ran. Okay, and number third is here run also. Now I'm giving you another example as a grow. Grow, second form grew, and third form gone. Grown, G-R-O-W-N, grown. And come की बताएंगे कोई मुझे? Yes, come, came, come. Yes, choose, choose, chose, chosen. Next is here as we use as a first form break. Second form broke, and third form broken. So break, broke, broken. Now student, yes, you can notice that these are the simple verbs we saw in daily life. We use these words in daily life. Okay, so now next is here think, thought, thought. Yes, next is here as a coast, coast, coast. You notice as a coast, this is the, you know that all verbs that are like in three forms. Sorry.